5 AI side hustles. You can start with zero skills in 2025. Tired of being broke or stuck in a 9 to 5? What if I told you that in 2025, you can start making money using free AI tools, without any skills, coding, or fancy degrees? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI side hustles that beginners are using right now to make real money online. Hustle number 1, AI voiceovers. With tools like ElevenLabs or Murph.ai, you can create realistic voiceovers in minutes. Offer these services on Fiverr or Upwork, even if you've never done voiceovers before. Charge $10 to $100 per gig. Clients love it because it's fast and sounds human. Hustle number 2, AI video creation. Use tools like Pictory or InVideo. Just paste a script and the AI generates a full video. Start a faceless YouTube channel or offer content to businesses. No editing skills needed. Some creators earn between $500 and $3,000 monthly doing this consistently. Hustle number 3, selling AI art or designs. Use Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or Ideogram to create stunning digital art or t-shirt designs. Sell them on Redbubble, Etsy, or TeePublic. Upload once, earn passively. Hustle number 4, AI-powered blogging or ebook writing. With ChatGPT and Canva, you can write and design entire blog posts or ebooks in hours. Sell your ebooks on Amazon KDP or Gumroad, or monetize your blog with ads. Hustle number 5, AI Chatbot Automation. Use tools like ManyChat or TDO to build chatbots using drag-and-drop interfaces. No coding needed. Local businesses will pay you to automate their DMs and customer service. The best part? You can start all of these with free trials or